Did you know that just 5 minutes of mindfulness practice can reduce stress levels by over 20%? Let's dive into these powerful secrets to calm your mind, starting now. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Holistic Blissful Harmony, owned by Jerusha, your partner in aligned bliss of wellness. Today, in a world full of noise and rush, mindfulness becomes your calm anchor. I'll share simple, powerful ways to truly quiet your mind and find inner peace. Many people feel stressed, anxious, and overwhelmed daily. Our minds jump between work, worries, and to-do lists. This mental chaos hurts our sleep, health, and joy. Worst part, it becomes our new normal until we pause. In this session, I will explain 2 different powerful variants of exercise which help you to be mindfulness and stress and anxiety free. Exercise 1, 4-7-8 breathing. Let's try exercise 1, the 4-7-8 breath. Sit comfortably, close your eyes. Breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, breathe out through your mouth for 8 seconds, repeat 4 times. This slows your heart, calms nerves, and reduces stress instantly. Benefits of this exercise. This technique engages your parasympathetic system for deep relaxation, helping you drop anxiety fast. Exercise 2, mindful body scan. Now try a body scan. Lie down or sit. Close your eyes. Focus on your toes. Feel warmth or tension. Slowly move attention to feet, ankles, legs, hips, belly, chest, hands, arms, shoulders, neck, head. Notice without judgment. Take 1 to 2 breaths in each area. This practice relaxes your whole body, helping your mind feel grounded and aware. Benefits of this exercise. A body scan helps you release tension, reconnect with your physical self, and quiet mental noise. Now let's bring it all together. Find a quiet space. Sit or lie down comfortably. We'll start with 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold that breath gently for 7 seconds. Then exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. Let's do this together for 4 rounds. Ready? Begin now. Feel your heart slowing, your mind unwinding. Now gently shift into a mindful body scan. Close your eyes again. Begin at your toes. Notice any sensation. Warmth, tingling, tension. Now move your attention slowly upward. Feet, ankles, calves, knees, thighs, hips, lower back, belly, chest, shoulders, arms, neck, and head. Breathe into each part. Let go of tightness. With every breath, you're reconnecting. You're not just a busy mind, you're a whole being, and this is your moment of peace. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. So, let's recap. We explored 2 simple but powerful mindfulness tools, the 4-7-8 breathing to calm your mind fast, and the body scan to reconnect with your body and release stress. When you practice these daily, even for a few minutes, you start to feel more peaceful, clear, and in control. You don't need a fancy space or hours of time, just a little intention and a quiet breath. Your calm starts with you. If you felt even a flicker of calm, tell me in the comments below. What mindfulness practice are you trying today? And if you're ready to go deeper, check out our next video on mindful living habits to create lasting peace and focus. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell to stay connected on your path to calm and clarity.